Hello fellow operators, Chad here from K-Link Solutions with another possibility for managing heatsink temperatures if you find yours are getting warmer than you'd like. This I've been selling for a while. I make these for the DX chassis radios and the Quad 6s. They're really effective. I'll put up the data plots for the cooling performance on that. They fix to the back of your radio using the existing or using the new case screws that I'll send along with it. But they're fairly limited to the number of models of radios that they'll support. Plus, some people might not like the size or having to deal with the hardware. To address that issue, I started thinking about neodymium magnets. Use the same twin 40mm cooling fans, but put a line of magnets in here to hold onto the back of the radio. Holds really well. They're strong. Nice low profile on the back, and I'll put up the data plots for that cooling effectiveness as well. These are my K630 brackets, by the way. Thank you. Thank you for all of you who have been buying these. They're a good seller. Still, this is a larger design. Takes a while to print. Got to ship it in a box. So to simplify that, why not make just a flat plate? A lot stronger, a lot lighter, simpler. Has a row of magnets in these. Soft interface tape to protect your radio's finish. Same twin 40mm cooling fans. Hydraulic bearings rated for 30,000 hours. They'll last even longer since I speed reduced these to make them silent. The cooling performance loss is negligible. You don't need much airflow to keep these heat sinks cool. I'll put up the data plots for those as well. So this will fix onto your steel chassis or your case and hold really well. You can put it on the top, you can put it on the bottom. And it's versatile enough to work with a lot of different radios. Here's a Quad 6. Will fit on the top. With this heatsink profile, you will find that it cools more effectively on the top than in the bottom. I'll put up those data plots as well. But if you're concerned about appearance, they'll go on the back and be out of sight. These are my K615 brackets, by the way. Gosh, I got nearly 400 sets of these sold. Thank you, guys. They work with older DX radios like your Plutos. I'll keep that heatsink cool as well, top or bottom. If you want to put it on the side, you could. President Lincoln, sure, why not? It goes on there. This is the K605 version 1. It's for sale on eBay or directly from me. Get a hold of me. Let me know what you think. If you got any suggestions for improving any of the existing products I have or ideas for new ones, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again. Have a great night, everyone. Happy DXing.